We shoveled a quantity of snow comparable to a small driveway. Let's get the tent. All right, guys, I was thinking we're gonna make some spaghetti carbonara for dinner. You like that?
Yeah!
All right, that's it. Slightly burned garlic bread. Well, there we go, guys. We got a moose steak, spaghetti carbonara, and some garlic bread. That is an amazing moose steak. This moose steak shot is amazing.
Where's your coat?
Well, now that we got a big bonfire going, we need to shoot off some fireworks.